Hi, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discuss about Mesothelioma Attorney Assistance. So, what is average mesothelioma lawsuit? Mesothelioma settlements and verdicts. The average mesothelioma settlement amount is between $1 million and $2 million. The average trial verdict amount is between $5 million and $14.4 million. Mesothelioma settlement amounts vary from case to case. So, how do you get mesothelioma compensation? So, let's discuss that how you get compensate. How do you get mesothelioma compensate? So, meso mesothelioma compensation describes a variety of financial payouts available to us asbestos exposure victims. Lawsuit settlements average between $1 and $1.4 million, and lawsuit verdicts average $2.4 million. Compensation may also be available through mesothelioma claims, including asbestos trust funds claims. Quick mesothelioma compensation facts. There are three main types of compensation: asbestos trust fund claims, settlements, and lawsuits verdicts. There are certain eligibility requirements to fill a claim, including medical records and documented asbestos exposure. Experienced lawyer can guide eligible individual through the filling process. Average mesothelioma compensation amount. Average mesothelioma payout vary depending on the type of compensation pursued and other factors. The annual Milley's litigation report asbestos states average mesothelioma compensation amounts, including average mesothelioma lawsuit verdicts are about $2.4 million. Average mesothelioma settlements payout range from $1 million to $1.4 million. Asbestos trust fund payout vary greatly. High paying trust may award $125,000 or more. Individuals may seek compensation from more than one trust. Asbestos victims can discuss compensation option with mesothelioma lawyers. A lawyer can explain how the facts of a case may affect compensation. Together with their lawyers, victims can decide on strategies to pursue compensation that align with their goals. Factors affecting mesothelioma payouts. Several factors affect the amount of mesothelioma financial compensation awarded to asbestos victims. Things that may affect total mesothelioma compensation amount include exposure history. Mesothelioma patients' exposure history can affect compensation option. Filling filing location. Different jurisdictions may be more or less favorable to asbestos victims. A lawyer can determine the most favorable jurisdiction to file a legal action. Individual goals. A victim's personal goal may affect compensation options. For example, a victim who wants compensation quickly may prefer settling instead of trying to get a higher payout from a trial verdict. Type of legal action. Different legal actions have different average payouts. Asbestos lawsuits generally result in more compensation than trust fund claims. Lawyers can explain how these factors may affect individual cases. They can also help develop goals, research occupational histories, and explain compensation types. So, types of asbestos exposure compensation. There are several types of compensation of mesothelioma. A mesothelioma lawyer can help determine which compensation option you may be eligible for. Some asbestos victims may be eligible to seek compensation from multiple sources. Asbestos trust fund claims may be an option for people who develop asbestos diseases like mesothelioma, lung cancer, or asbestosis. Many bankrupt asbestos companies have trust to handle current and future asbestos claims. High-paying trusts may award $125,000 or more to eligible asbestos victims. Companies with a lot of asbestos liabilities often go into bankruptcy to manage costs and handle claims. More than 30 billion dollar has been set aside in trust funds to compensate asbestos victims. There are around 70 asbestos trusts. A mesothelioma lawyer specializes in winning compensation for asbestosis-related diseases. The best mesothelioma lawyers are experienced in winning asbestos lawsuits and claims. Top attorneys can assist victims and loved ones during asbestos litigation to receive compensation through settlements and verdicts. So there are key factors about asbestosis attorneys. uh, $1 to 1.4 1 to 1.4 million dollar average settlement secured by mesothelioma lawyers. $30 billion amount set aside in asbestos trust funds. 1 to 6 years range of asbestos lawsuit filing deadlines. 2100 per year average number of mesothelioma lawsuits filed by attorneys. What is a mesothelioma lawyer? Mesothelioma lawyers are professionals with experience getting financial compensation for asbestos victims. People may also hear them referred to as asbestos lawyers or asbestos attorneys. The best asbestos lawyers use their expertise to litigate cases on behalf of their clients. People who develop mesothelioma can contact an asbestos attorney. Attorneys work with the asbestos victims to explore their legal options. Victims may be able to file mesothelioma lawsuit, asbestos trust fund claim, and other types of claims. As part of their services, attorney help people identify possible sources of exposure. So that's all we will discuss next topic soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.